Look at this fish. It's so very big. Look at this, guys. So very big. Oh. Do you wanna hold?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Di.
Oh no!
Natagak di.
Full on the
Nalipong ba?
water.
Nalipong?
Sagbi kalay na pod. Binakadako dira. Biggest fish mura magpantat no.
This is the most biggest fish, guys. In there,
Wow.
the Bukidnon.
And Bukidnon, Marulog High School. And
Marulog, Davao City, guys. So, ito yung pinakamalaking fish.
go alat, catch some
Ang
fish.
tawag nito, guys, paitan. Because sobrang salip itong paksiwin. The paksi with sugar. Sarap-sarap.
Alat, go get the fish.
Yeah.
Give me.
Hey, no, no, no! Wait, wait, wait!
Wait, alat, wait.
Dalawa, ay, kining... Ay, gamay, ano alat, kining gamay.
Gamay na lang.
Ah, paspasa, ay, ah. Tis.
Hina, hilang, bugo.
Wow!
So big fish, bro. Oy! Nawasa inaw na lat.
Nuwalong. Bago, nuwalong dako. Wala ang dako.
Look. What Sigma?
Sigma. What is
No, no, no. No, legit, no.
Sigma boy.
Ah!
Stop video.
Oh,